Subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more. Red Cat Reading. Learn to read. On a rainy day. We can make puppets on a rainy day. We can bake cookies on a rainy day. We can read books on a rainy day. We can make pictures on a rainy day. We can play dress-up on a rainy day. We can play games on a rainy day. We can put on plays on a rainy day. We can do puzzles on a rainy day. We can watch movies on a rainy day. We can have a picnic on a rainy day. We can make funny pancakes on a rainy day. We can have a dance party on a rainy day. Make puppets, bake cookies, read books, make pictures, play dress-up, play games, put on plays, do puzzles, watch movies, have a picnic, make pancakes, have a dance party. The end. Subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more. For more stories and worksheets, check our website